across the China Sea. I'm running for the presidency because beyond the ultimate end of politics, which is justice for all, is because our sovereignty, the sovereignty of our country, is endangered. The Cory Constitution of 1987 surreptitiously deleted the historical legal rights to our territories. And this will endanger our country, especially so we're in a very strategic place in the world today. But to the east of us is the Pacific Ocean, which is the focus of the world today and covers 32.5% of the world's surface. On the other side is the China Sea. The China Sea, across the China Sea, is the biggest world market potential. This can be a magnet for conquest and predators, for them to start picking one island after the other of our 7,150 islands of the country. There is a book, in fact, called The Dragon Strikes, which talks about a horrible war of the millennium that will occur in the South China Sea with a vast oil reserve between the Spratlys and Sabah. I am running, and this is the principal reason: sovereignty is endangered and the survival of the Republic is imperiled. Second, I'm running because since 1986, we really did not have true democracy, because Marcos was the truly elected president of the Republic in 1986. Cory Aquino was the usurper who took over from Marcos and, with the help of foreign government, kidnapped the Marcoses out and Cory to confirm that she was a usurper.